If you have been watching the artificial intelligence market closely, you've probably heard of the chip manufacturer called Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, often shortened to TSM, and the chip designer called Nvidia, sometimes referred to as NVDA. Both of these companies are leaders in their fields, and their share prices have risen far more than the general market over the past year. But which one is the better artificial intelligence stock right now? Let's explore this question in detail. Before we begin, this video is not an investment advice and must do your own diligence. However, with my experience investing for years, the content from this video has a solid research foundation. Check our Patreon on the description below for an inside members-only access on what are the best buys now. We will also update you on what to sell for gains or to avoid losses. Subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out. There are many ways to invest in the growth of artificial intelligence. One unique method involves semiconductor manufacturing. While this may not sound as flashy as a company creating an advanced AI chatbot, the results speak for themselves. Taiwan Semiconductor sales rose by 36% in the third quarter, which ended on September 30th, to reach $23.5 billion. Its earnings also surged by 54%, hitting $1.94 per American depository receipt. That growth was fueled by large technology companies investing heavily in new AI chip production. According to the Chief Executive Officer of Taiwan Semiconductor, C.C. Wei, almost every AI innovator is working with us. The company's unique advantage comes from its advanced manufacturing processes, such as producing 3-nanometer chips. It also plans to increase output of 2-nanometer semiconductors starting in 2025. Thanks to these cutting-edge techniques, Taiwan Semiconductor holds a 90% share of the market for the world's most advanced processors. As the largest technology companies compete to expand their artificial intelligence services, Taiwan Semiconductor stands to benefit from this surge in AI infrastructure spending. Goldman Sachs predicts that global spending on AI will approach $1 trillion over the next few years, which should continue to propel Taiwan Semiconductor's growth. Unlike Taiwan Semiconductor, Nvidia specializes in designing, rather than manufacturing, the semiconductors that power AI data centers. For many technology companies, Nvidia's GPUs have long been the top choice when building high-performance AI data centers, and the recent surge in demand has reinforced this position. In the third quarter, which ended on October 27th, Nvidia's sales rose by 94% to reach $35.1 billion. Meanwhile, its non-GAAP earnings grew by 103%, climbing to $0.81 per share. These impressive results were driven by a 112% increase in the company's data center revenue, soaring to $30.8 billion compared to the same quarter last year. Much like Taiwan Semiconductor, Nvidia is benefiting from massive investments in new AI infrastructure. Jensen Huang, who serves as Nvidia's chief executive officer, projects that spending in this market segment will reach $2 trillion over the next 5 years, creating a remarkable opportunity for the company to thrive. Although rivals are also set to capture some of this AI-related spending, Nvidia remains in a strong position to see the largest gains. Its chips are currently used in an estimated 70 to 95% of AI data centers, giving Nvidia a clear edge as spending on AI infrastructure accelerates. You likely will not make a mistake by investing in either of these stocks. Both Nvidia and Taiwan Semiconductor established strong positions in their respective markets well before the artificial intelligence boom began. Since this is a direct comparison for the best AI stock, I will choose Taiwan Semiconductor for this matchup. The main reason is that its shares currently have a lower price. At the moment, Taiwan Semiconductor has a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 23.0, while Nvidia's forward P/E ratio stands at 32.7. Both of these stocks still have immense growth potential as artificial intelligence continues to expand. However, if you want a stock that is slightly more affordable, then Taiwan Semiconductor is the better choice. Give us a like if you like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss out. Check our Patreon for an inside look on what are the best buy and sell stocks every week.